Hello, and welcome to my tutorial. Firstly, go to www.dafont.com. From here, find a font that you would like to install. The website has a huge variety to choose from. In the preview box you can type some words or phrases you'd like to see in that particular font style. Once you find one you like, press download. If you're using Google Chrome, a pop-up should appear. Otherwise, head to your downloads folder. Open up the font files within the folder you just downloaded. All you have to do is press install and then it's ready to use. Sometimes there will be multiple files. This will be for the variations of that particular font, such as a bold typeface. You can delete the zip file you just downloaded if you wish. If you want to uninstall a particular font, go to your C drive. Windows. Fonts. And select the font you would like to remove and either press delete or hide. Now you're all set. Open up any program on your computer and it'll be there and ready to use. Thank you for watching. Any questions, leave a comment, and if this video helps, please leave a like and maybe even subscribe. Thanks.